In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We're going to move from a simple Google search to opening a specific tool inside Webflow called Zeltac Slider, which helps you build a CMS-powered slider. I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to look for, along with a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. You should see the official Webflow site right at the top. You can always go directly to webflow.com if you prefer, but using Google is a quick way to confirm you're landing on the right place. Click through to Webflow, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects. Once you're on your Webflow dashboard and looking at your list of projects, find the project you want to work with. Within that project's card or detail view, click on View Site. This is a convenient way to jump into the context of your project. If you're already inside the project, you might see similar options that take you into the site environment. The key is to make sure you're inside the project you intend to edit, so anything you do next applies to the right place. Now that you're inside your project, look for the Apps section. Depending on your layout, you'll see an Apps icon or an Apps tab in the Webflow interface. Click on Apps. This opens the Apps panel where you can browse and connect tools that extend what Webflow can do. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the Designer or in the Site's Settings area where apps are available. In the Apps panel, find the search field and type Zeltac Slider. Be precise with the spelling so the right result appears. As you type, Webflow will filter the list and show matching entries. You should see Zeltac Slider appear as an option designed to help you build a CMS slider in Webflow. Click on Zeltac Slider to build a CMS slider in Webflow. This opens its detail view, where you can learn what it does and begin using it within your site. From here, you'll follow the on-screen prompts specific to the app to connect it to your collections and style your slider so it reflects your site's design. If your project already uses CMS collections, you'll be in great shape to populate your slider with real content. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your project via View Site, navigated to Apps, searched for Zeltac Slider, and selected it to build a CMS-powered slider. Thanks for watching and happy building!